Pair word. Read the dialogue from Activity A. Ask and answer the question. If you want to read again, then click on the button. Language focus. Useful expressions. At the beginning of a conversation, may I introduce myself? At the end of a conversation, nice meeting you. See you. See you later. Notice what Jessica and Seema say before they leave. Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you too. Pair word. Introduce yourself. Use the useful expressions. Let's talk in pairs. Use the following clues. I am dash. Who are you? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? How old are you? What's your school's name?